Hi, this is a quick video to introduce the new series of self-retracting lanyard with integrated rescue, or SRL-R from Globestock. This series is being introduced to replace the existing 20 and 34 metre variants and is certified to the latest versions of the EN, ANSI and CSA standards. This series consists of 3 variants, each manufactured with a different lifeline material. The one you can see here is the 30 metre variant with 5mm galvanised steel lifeline and a zinc-plated snap hook. Other variants include the 25 metre by 6mm diameter 316 grade stainless steel lifeline with a stainless steel snap hook and a 30 metre synthetic lifeline with zinc-plated snap hook. The stainless steel product has a shorter lifeline to accommodate the increased rope diameter, which is required to comply with the latest standardised strength requirements. These variants allow the user to choose the most suitable product for their application and environment. One important difference between this and the previous versions is the activation of the rescue function. This now engages with a single action. Pulling the trigger pin automatically activates the rescue mechanism. Then I can get a feel for the words.
And the 34 metre version.
Snap hook. Just have I put it the wrong way around, haven't I?
The new 40... Start again. Let me do...